The video takes High Flexi G series as example, referring to the project installation and operation standard of Hisense and national relevant requirements. Detailed parameters are suitable to G series, and other series can still refer to this video. Preparation work before installation. Drawing checkup. Check the drawings before installation and confirm the following contents. 1. The installation location of indoor and outdoor units, airflow organization, noise influence, check hole available, service space, the way of air supply, and return and air duct should meet the requirement. 2. Cooling and heating capacity, capacity ratio between indoor and outdoor, height difference should meet the requirement. 3. The diameter and length of copper pipe, branch pipe model, quantity of main branch pipe should meet the requirement. If the length is 100 meters or more, the pipe diameter should be one size larger. 4. Condensed water pipe diameter, falling gradient, drainway, pipe insulation work should meet the requirement. 5. Electrical wires size, wiring connection method should meet the requirement. 6. The size, diameter, length, and connection method of transmission wire should meet the requirement. VRF refrigerant pipe length requirement. Max length between first branch and indoor unit is 40 meters. Under special conditions, it can catch 90 meters. Height difference between highest and lowest indoor units should be less than or equal to 15 meters. When outdoor unit is higher than indoor unit, the max height difference between outdoor and indoor is 50 meters. When outdoor unit is lower than indoor unit, the max height difference between outdoor and indoor is 40 meters. Max piping length is 165 meters. Max total piping length is 1,000 meters. Max piping length between outdoor units is 10 meters. The worker should make the installation according to the drawings strictly. If there are any parts need to amend, they should get the agreement from the designer with paperwork. Materials preparation. Copper pipe. Seamless copper pipe should be chosen, which is produced by formal manufacturing, with certificate of approval and quality inspection report. Copper pipe size. Drain pipe. The material of drain pipe generally is UPVC or PPR. The size and thickness should meet the requirement. Insulation material. The B1 class flame-resistant foaming insulation pipe should be adapted as the insulation material, of which the heat-resistant temperature should be not lower than 120 degrees centigrade. When the diameter of copper pipe is greater than or equal to 15.88 millimeters, the thickness of insulation pipe should be 20 millimeters. When the diameter of copper pipe is less than or equal to 12.7 millimeters, the thickness of insulation pipe should be greater than or equal to 15 millimeters. The thickness of insulation pipe is 10 millimeters for condensate pipe. Transmission wire. Use 2-core shielded twist pair cable for transmission wiring. Diameter greater than or equal to 0.75 square millimeters. If the length of transmission wire is more than 500 meters, the diameter should be greater than or equal to 1 square millimeter. Note: please don't use the transmission wire with several cores, otherwise the signal will disturb each other, causing the system to malfunction. Electrical wire. Please use BV PVC insulated power wire or BX rubber insulated power wire. You also can choose cable. Specification table of electrical wire. Electrical specification of outdoor unit. Recommend electrical wire. Switch capacity as follow table. Preparation tools. Tools should be complete, and the models and their specifications should comply with the installation and technical requirements. The range and accuracy of the qualified instrument should meet the requirements. Necessary tools: pipe cutter, pipe bender, expanding tool, flaring tool, trimming deflashing, pressure gauge, vacuum pump, weight scale, brazing tool, screwdriver, spanner, magometer, avometer, nitrogen pressure release valve, high pressure gauge, inner hexagon spanner,